Hello there, I'm Kelly Longtin from Kelly Longtin Law, and today I want to talk to you about the wrong successor trustee and how that can derail your final wishes. Now, many estate plans contain revocable living trusts that will become irrevocable, which means they cannot easily be changed or terminated when the trustmaker dies. Such trusts may benefit the surviving spouse during their lifetime and may continue for the benefit of several additional generations. Because these trusts can be designed to span multiple decades, it is crucial to choose the right succession of trustees. When you create your irrevocable living trust, you will usually be the initial trustee. You will still be in charge of managing your accounts and property as you see fit while you're alive and well, but the trust becomes the legal owner of those accounts and property instead of you as an individual. However, you will likely also be the beneficiary of the trust while you're alive, so you'll be able to benefit from your trust accounts and property throughout your lifetime. With this arrangement, your selected successor trustee will not step in to manage your property unless you resign or desire someone to act as co-trustee with you. You become incapacitated, unable to manage your affairs, or you pass away. Your trust is intended to continue for years, so choosing the right succession of trustee is critical to its longevity and ultimate success. The successor trustee you select could be the same person paying your bills if you're alive but incapacitated, your agent under the financial power of attorney, or they could be someone different. You may assume that a family member, such as your spouse, a sibling, or an adult child, will be the best person to serve as the trustee of your trust when you're no longer able to serve. You may think family members will better understand the varying needs of your beneficiaries and keep the cost of administering the trust down. However, in reality, family members may not be able to fulfill all of their fiduciary obligations, either because they do not have the time or because they do not feel comfortable managing the financial, legal, or distribution requirements of the trust. If family members are not the best option for your successor trustee, you may be able to choose a corporate or professional trustee. One advantage of selecting these types of trustees is that they can often meet all fiduciary obligations under one roof for a specified fee. In addition, a corporate or professional trustee will act in an unbiased manner when making distributions and investments, which will benefit current and future beneficiaries. This option can be beneficial if you have a blended family and would like to provide for your surviving spouse, while having anything that is left over held for the benefit of your children from a prior relationship. In situations like this, you may not want your surviving spouse or child from a previous relationship to be in charge of managing the money because they have conflicting priorities. Also, a corporate or professional trustee will not get sick or be too busy to oversee the trust's day-to-day operations. Forcing your trust beneficiaries to be stuck with the wrong trustee without a reasonable means for removing and replacing them may cause an expensive visit to the courthouse. It may be necessary to build provisions into your trust agreement that will allow your beneficiaries or an independent third party, such as a trusted advisor or a trust protector, to remove or replace the trustees without court intervention. The fact that the trustee can be removed and replaced without going to court is often an incentive for the trustees to work out any differences with the beneficiaries. On the other hand, to prevent beneficiaries from removing trustees without valid cause, you might prefer to involve the court if a trustee needs to be removed. Selecting a successor trustee is one of the most important decisions you will make when creating a trust. Though family members or loved ones may be your initial choice, you should give serious consideration to designating a corporate or professional trustee, either alone or as co-trustee with a family member or loved one. If you have family members named as your successor trustees, you want to reach out to your estate planning attorney and just discuss all of the trustee options that you have to make sure who you selected is the right fit for you. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe our page below so that you can keep updated on estate planning, the options you have, and how it may benefit your family. Until next time, I'm Kelly Longtin.